I'm Katharina Spurling-Kaffl, the wife of the late Slim Spurling, the creator of the Light Life tools, and I'm also president and CEO of IXL, the only authorized manufacturer of the Slim Spurling Light Life tools. Now, April, our theme is Rejuvenation, and of course, spring is here, and I enjoy my daffodils, and the trees are budding, and some of you start with your garden. So when you do that, remember to use our plain chain utility rings. They are specially made for farmers and gardeners. And what you do is you put the ring, like depending on the size of the plant, take a half sacred, for example, and put it in the pot and put your plant in there and pot it up and off you go. If you plant bushes and want to encourage more growth, you dig the hole, take the plain chain sacred cubit, put it in there, and put your plant in there and all the soil and see what happens during this year. If that's too much work for you, you just put the ring around your hose or the irrigation system, depending how big your garden or farm is. And we have had amazing results by watering the plants through a Light Life ring. So if you're thinking of a harmonizer, the loss cubit, environmental and agricultural harmonizers, gold-plated, are especially good for plant growth. We noticed that the sacred cubit does the same job, however, it takes longer. So this is why when it comes to farming, and you don't have a harmonizer already, then choose the gold-plated loss cubit, environmental or agricultural, depending on the size of your farm. Now, April is another important day, and that is April 22nd, and that is Earth Day. And so for all of you who have a harmonizer, please run it the whole day on April 22nd to make our contribution for the planet. And of course, we want to run it every day, but I think it would be so much fun. We have all our intention and focus for this day to really make a huge difference on the planet. Okay, wherever you are, activate the harmonizer on April 22nd. Now, for those of you who want to learn more, I'm going to the East Coast, so you don't have to come out to Colorado. So for our East Coast friends, no excuse of not coming to a workshop. It's going to be in Pennsylvania, in Horsham. That's not far from Philadelphia. So we have some rooms reserved at the Days Inn in Horsham, but they hold them only until May 1st. So the workshop will be June 1st, is the Friday night with a free meet and greet. And then Saturday is all about hepatic stress. You learn all the ins and outs and how to locate them, and then we go out and practice it. So how to locate them and how to block them, because that's the most important thing. Just knowing where they are doesn't help you much, because you want to have a better life, a better health, better finances, better relationships. Whatever is blocked through the geopathic stress, you will learn how to fix that. Okay, so take this opportunity. And on Sunday, it's all about the Light Life tools. So you get sessions, you will be able to wear any of our pendants to see what does it do for you personally, because that's the advantage of coming to a workshop. You know, you can go online and look at them, but once you feel it, you see, hey, that really feels good for me. And often I have people who wear, for example, silver all the time. They're attracted to a gold-plated harmonizer, and that works better for them. So this is why it's an awesome opportunity for you to check out everything we have. And of course, I bring some we don't have on the website, so you can feel those and make a choice, okay? So I hope to see many of you, and make sure to do your reservation early for the room. They have only a few reserved, and more information you find on the website. So I hope you take the advantage, because I don't know when I'm coming out there again. Alrighty? So all our friends on the East Coast, and of course all of those who want to travel, make sure to come to Philadelphia. I look forward to seeing you all.